Hello kids, I hope you have completed exercise 6.2. So now let's move forward. Now we are going to study addition and subtraction of decimals. Let's say, take an example, 5.32 and 2.87. We have to add these two decimals. First of all, these are like decimals. अगर ये अनलाइक डेसिमल होते हैं तो हम उन्हें पहले लाइक डेसिमल में चेंज करते, फिर हम उनका एडिशन करते, बट दे आर ऑलरेडी इन लाइक डेसिमल्स, सो विल नॉट कन्वर्ट देम. सो फॉर एडिशन, now we'll write the whole part with the whole part and the decimal part with the decimal part. As suppose if you have given two numbers 3 and 0.2, then you will not write it 3 and 2 point, not like this. The whole part with whole part, 3 plus 0.2, you will convert it into like fraction, that is 3.0. Understood? So we'll add them. 7 plus 2 9, 8 plus 3 11. Now it carries same point in the same place. 5 6 7 8, 8.19 is the answer. Subtraction is also the same. If we'll take only this example, 5.32 and 2.87, so we'll write them in the same way. So it gets 2.45. Now I hope you understand the addition and subtraction very easily. They are very easy. Just let's move forward to the exercise. 6.3. Question number 1. Add the following. So first I'll do the first example for you. 7 and 0.5. So whole part first converted into like fractions. So 7.0 and 0.5. So whole part with the whole part and the decimal part with the decimal part. 5 plus 0, 5. Same, the decimal point will be placed in the same place. Remember this point, 7.5. Clear? You have to do the rest of these parts. If you have any doubt, you can send it. Question number 2, subtract. Let's do subtraction now. The first question is 12 and 7.89. So first convert into like fraction. So 12.00 minus the whole part with the whole part and the subtraction part with the subtraction part. Understood? Move on to the next question. Question number 3. Simplify. In this you have to follow the BODMAS rule, like 2.9 plus 1.2 minus 3.5. In BODMAS, first we do addition, then subtraction. So first we'll do addition of these two numbers. So 2.9 plus 1.2. 4.1, and now we'll subtract it from 3.5. Clear? You have to do all the parts like this only. First subtract, first add, and then subtract. Next move on to the word problems now. So the first question is, what should be subtracted from 102.55 to get the greatest two-digit numbers? So you all know the greatest two-digit number is 99. Very good. Now the question says, what should we subtract from 10.55 to get 99? हम ऐसा क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करें 102.55 में से जिससे हमें 99 मिल जाए. सो टू गेट, आप खुद ही सोचो, अगर हमें 102.55 तो हमें 102.55 में ऐसे कैसे बढ़ जो हमें 99 आ जाए। तो पहले हम वो उस नंबर को हम x मान लेते हैं, लेट द नंबर बी x। हम 102.55 में से क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करें जो हमें 99 आंसर मिला है। आप ये समझ गए, 102.55 में से क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करें जो 99 मिल जाए। तो अब हम इसको 102.55 99 इधर आ जाएगा और x उधर चला जाएगा। अब हम इसे माइनस कर लेंगे, द होल पार्ट with the whole part, the like decimal part with the decimal part. First convert into like fraction. So the x is equal to the number which should be subtract from 102.55 is 3.55. Clear? Move on to the next question. Question number 7. Subtract the sum of 0.0016 and 993.450 from 1000. The question says we have to subtract the sum of 0.0016 sum of 0.0016 and 993.450 from 100. So first we'll add them. So the whole part with whole part 99.450 double zero. I've converted this into like decimal. You have also converted into like this. So now add this 6154.399. So this we'll get. Now we have to subtract it from 1000 because the question says we have to subtract the sum of these two from 1000. So 1000 point converted into like fraction minus 993.4516. So the answer is 6.5484. Clear? Next question, the last question, the question number 14. The drum of oil has a capacity of 725 liters. That means the total capacity of drum is 725 liters. Two containers of 145.75 liters and 250.50 liters capacity are filled with the oil from the drum. The question says that the two drums of liters this and this are filled with the oil from the drum. मतलब कि जो दो कंटेनर्स थे जिनकी क्वांटिटी जो इतने लीटर्स के थे उसके अंदर हमने ऑयल भरा है इस वाले ड्रम से जिसमें 725 लीटर है। मतलब हमने इतना जो इन दोनों का सम आएगा वो हमारा अगर हम इसमें से माइनस कर देंगे तो हमारी जितनी क्वांटिटी लेफ़्ट होगी ड्रम में वो आ जाएगी क्योंकि हमने इन दोनों कंटेनर्स को भर लिया है उससे। मैं कह रही हूँ डायग्राम तो पहले हम टोटल कैपेसिटी ऑफ ऑयल टेकन आउट फ्रॉम ड्रम कितना निकाला है 145.75 लीटर्स प्लस 250.50 liters. Add them 396.25 liters. Now we have to find a quantity left in the drum. So quantity left is the total quantity minus the quantity taken out. So 725.00 liters minus 396.25 liters. We'll get 1 So the answer is 328.75 liters. So the quantity left in the drum is 328.75 liters. Now the questions are completed. You have to do this full exercise with all the questions. Full exercise 6.3 in your notebook. And if you have any doubts, you can ask in the group. With these multiple choice questions, you have to complete this whole chapter till Monday, and you have to send the homework to the appropriate teacher.